Don't mind me. I just woke up not that long ago. Well, I guess it's been a little while now. I don't even know what time it is because our power has been out since last night at about 9 or so. Thankfully, we have the generator running. I had my phone plugged into our EcoFlow here before I turned the generator on, but I had to make some coffee. So I have made my coffee and we are good to go with the generator. We have quite the mess outside. This is what happened. I guess they turned the power off because of the wind, but Lord have mercy. Here we go again. We had so much stuff on the roof. We could hear it like hitting the roof last night. This hit the roof and was awful. Look at that poor guy's place over there. My plants fell down. Look at that. Anyway, let's look out here. I mean, you can barely get out our gates. Let's see what's going on over here. Oh, they're trimming trees over there. We're looking okay though. You can hear the generator, obviously. This. Diego's got himself a stick. Diego, what you got, Diegors? Oh, anyway, we have the furnace on. Thank goodness the furnace works, because normally we just use our heat pump on our air conditioner and then like a space heater. So thankfully the furnace works too. So it's nice that we can have it nice and toasty. I'm gonna take a shower. The hot water heater still works. So we're gonna play it by ear on what we're gonna do as the day goes on. If they turn the power back on, they turn it off. It's a public safety power shutoff. But it's kind of crazy because it's not windy now, so why is the power not on? But I guess they have to check everything. So, anywho, we are going to just take a shower and go to work and see what happens.